Here's the conversation where Anne, fourth engineer, and Nam, motorman, discuss current ampere using maritime terms. Nam, do you know the current drawn by the auxiliary engine alternator under full load? Yes, it's around 1000 amperes, depending on the load distribution. Correct. What about the emergency generator? How much current does it supply? It can supply up to 500 amperes, enough for essential systems during a blackout. That's right. Do you know the current required by the main switchboard to power the ballast pump? The pump typically draws 200 amperes during operation. Good observation. How much current is consumed by the engine room vent fans during normal ventilation? Each fan uses about 50 amperes, depending on its speed setting. Exactly. Do you know the current needed to operate the hydraulic power unit for the steering gear? It's around 150 amperes under normal steering conditions. Perfect. What about the lighting system for the accommodation area? The lights collectively draw around 20 amperes, depending on how many are in use. Correct. And what's the current required by the air compressor during startup? It spikes to about 300 amperes, but stabilizes at 120 amperes once running. And great job, Nam. Understanding current flow helps us manage electrical systems efficiently. Thanks, Anne. I'm starting to see how critical it is to monitor current for safe operations. This conversation ties current and amperes to various shipboard systems, making the discussion practical and engaging.